This is the guide of the wire. If the wire already seem the length, you will try to fit the wire and slightly to push. So already okay. Other slot, same procedure again. Then we'll try to slowly push. Already okay. Need to check the length. Already okay. Try to slowly push. Same procedure again. And then we will put to other switch. Already okay. Other one also same procedure. We will put to the third switch. Now already okay. Guys, this is a gang switch. They have a 3 return cable. This is the procedure how to assemble a 3-gang switch.